Proud of my country, Zimbabwe. Wangu wazichaita kutipambwe. Migwagwa yakachena se chivanze. Tirivene, vene. Proud of my country, Zimbabwe. Wangu wazichaita kutipambwe. Migwagwa yakachena se chivanze. Tirivene, tinosimuza mureza. Tichiratidza kupenya. Dina by dina. Uchiva kwa musha. Wayo, proud of Zimbabwe.
I've been getting a report from him, from the chairman of the working committee, every other Monday since we started preparing for this place. But we decided this time around that we need to have our meeting at the venue, and the venue is this place. So we are here, and we have witnessed with our own eyes and everything that this is what they are doing. And the progress that is taking place, or which is taking place here, gives us assurance that by the 16th, everything will be in order for us to host our 44th independence celebrations and children's party. I hope you will be there. There are very few areas that needs to be attended to. Well, maybe a few feeder roads that feed into the venue are the ones that are going to be attended to. But the Minister of Transport is here and the engineer was here. They say that by the 16th everything will be done. So those are the areas. The other area that is left there, but it's complete. You can see the one with the red roof there. The ICT there is complete. And the application block there is also about to be complete. I think in 2 days' time it will be done. So I think everything is okay. What I can only say is that the speech needs to be compacted a little bit more. But they will do so, I think they will do so, and by the time we come here, on the 18th, it will be done. The areas that we thought would need attention, we have advised him of the areas through our comments, and he's going to attend to that. But otherwise, everything is going on smoothly. State for Provincial Affairs, Manicaland Province. He has assured us that he's going to bring multitudes here. More than 70,000 from Manicaland alone. Let alone the other provinces that will be bringing people. But he wants, we gave him 150 buses. He says there are fewer, he wants more. So that he can bring his 70,000 here. You need to prove him right or wrong. Yeah.
Tichitenda basa rinobatwa pano iye zvino mufaro kufanisa kuti zvinhu zvese zvinoitwa pano zvavo tingati in general zvese zvapapo 75% migwagwa yagadzirwa yasara mafeeders apo neapo kuti zvijoinane ground rino sekona kwamuri kuita ragadzirwa loan iri pano iyi yangosara kungoiswa yatingati muchirungu perfection.
Tinotenda kuti iko zvino kutaura kwatiri kuita nemusi wa10 ndowatatara kuti migwagwa yedu yose midiki pachirungu inonzi mafeeder roads tinenge tapedza. Saka ndokuvimbisai kuti musi wa10 April tinenge tapedza mafeeder roads achisvika panzvimbo ino sekutaura kwazvaitwa nahonorable Vice President kuti zvazvatisarire kumashure atindotenda nekuti kubata kwese kwataita hatingotarisa nzvimbo ino teitarisa province yese totarisa zvakare neprovince yeMashist yatinotidzana nayo. Tinotenda.